all the recent storms we've had in BC knocked the electricity out for 2 weeks. So I decided to help a friend start his 1958 diesel generator. Hasn't been started in 4 years. So the first thing I did was put in a new battery, fully charged up, topped it up with 160 liters of diesel, and then added some spice into the air intake just to help it start a little easier. Lo and behold, it started first turn. So I checked all the adjustments, the decompression valves. Everything seemed fine, so I switched it over to generator power, and boy was it rolling coal. But now we have electricity.